Businesses are increasingly harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to boost efficiency and drive performance. Dickson Woo, Managing Director and Technology Leader at IBM Malaysia, shares the key AI trends businesses should keep an eye on in 2025.
Moving towards 2025, the implementation AI will be on a very specific, goal-oriented, prioritizing on business goal. Meaning to say that now the CEOs and the head of companies wanted to see the return on the investment of AI instead of just using the experimental mode in the past. I think the second one is about right sizing of AI. As you know that AI was popularized by the ChatGPT, who uses a large language model, we call it an LLM. But of course, this is a rather broad stroke strategy where you pump in a lot of data and then just to answer some specific questions. But in today's world, I think those could be a very costly model because you need a very high computing power and a lot of footprint to burn in order to generate those data. So the trend now is changing into a more right-sizing model using an open source AI model for efficiency. And the third trend that we are seeing is about governance side. As you know that when we develop AI, there will be a lot of data pumped in, and often than not, the AI tends to hallucinate and giving some bias in terms of that decision-making process and all that. And sometimes it may not be giving you the right answers to the specific questions. So the governance model is important to put in place in order to have the more AI that is ethical, that is transparent, that is also auditable in the future. The next trend that we are seeing is that the human centricity will be embedded into AI features, because I think some may see AI as a threat. Especially people may think that AI it plays a zero-sum game, whether AI or human being, and AI will replace human beings' workforce in the future. But the fact is that AI is here to help and to coexist with human to increase productivity and to drive efficiency. So this is the trend that we are seeing. Of course, to do that, the AI has to be more personalized, more humane, and also have the ability to understand the humanistic part of it.
For businesses to fully utilize the advancement in AI, Dickson cautioned some of the roadblocks such as data security and talent building that may hinder growth. He also emphasizes the need for trusted technology partners to help businesses develop a scalable technology solution.
An IBM CEO study reveals major roadblocks that are still holding back Malaysian companies from benefiting the AI. There are concerns about data security. They also have concern about technology modernization and also the lack of necessary AI skill set and experience. I think we last spoke about the skill set. I think there's always a shortage in Malaysia. So all these are important. So before AI a project has been being executed, I think very importantly is to begin with the end in mind. So very importantly is to have that first and foremost, the accurate and investment in data management, because data cleanliness is important. Garbage in, garbage out. It's about building talent and the digital skills of the employees. How do we then strengthen the ethical AI practices in the organization, and collaborating with the trusted technology partners that can help business to develop a scalable technology solutions.
Dickson also lauded the government's initiative to streamline AI strategies through the recently established National AI Office.
I think the recent launch of the AI by our Prime Minister, I think it's a very strategic move to position Malaysia as a leading central hub in the region to accelerate AI initiative. I think recently, there are a lot of investment also being put in by various companies to accelerate the growth. So IBM also partake in the journey, working very closely with the private sector, with the public sector as well as with our strategic partners to drive the AI initiative. I think this thing comes in very timely.